Build a website, freedom and control, empowering attendees to create and deploy independent, SaaS-free static sites. The No Code Week 2026 workshop centered around building a fully functional static website utilizing Silex presents a compelling strategic opportunity to address the burgeoning demand for decentralized web development solutions.
Currently, a significant portion of the no-code market remains dominated by proprietary platforms, imposing vendor lock-in and often unsustainable financial models. This workshop directly tackles this issue, providing attendees with a tangible, demonstrable skill set, the ability to construct and host a robust website without reliance on centralized SaaS providers, a critical advantage in an increasingly security-conscious and cost-aware digital landscape.
The Silex project, built under a free/Libre AGPL license, reinforces this commitment to open-source principles and eliminates potential dependency concerns. This initiative aligns perfectly with the growing trend towards self-hosting and digital sovereignty.
The rise of independent web development addressing the limitations of centralized no-code platforms. Historically, the accessibility of no-code tools has been predicated on a subscription-based model, generating substantial recurring revenue for platform providers.
However, this model inherently creates a dependency, exposing users to potential price increases, feature deprecation, and ultimately, platform control. The current market context is characterized by rising awareness of these risks, coupled with a desire for greater control over data and intellectual property.
The workshop's outcome, a deployable static site, directly counters this trend, fostering a shift towards a more resilient and autonomous approach to web development, mirroring the broader movement towards decentralized technologies and enhanced user freedom. The prevalence of trustful ratings, while seemingly irrelevant, highlights the competitive landscape and the value placed on secure domain acquisition, further emphasizing the importance of owning and controlling one's digital assets.
Silex, a strategic foundation leveraging a robust, open-source framework for independent deployment. The utilization of Silex as the core technology for this workshop represents a strategically astute decision.
Silex, a powerful and lightweight web framework, offers a compelling alternative to proprietary no-code platforms by providing granular control over the underlying code and architecture. It's a serverless solution, optimized for static site generation, minimizing operational overhead and aligning with the workshop's goal of eliminating SaaS dependency.
Furthermore, the framework's availability under the free/Libre AGPL license ensures long-term sustainability and community support, mitigating potential vendor lock-in. The workshop's focus on GitHub and GitLab integration directly facilitates version-controlled collaboration and seamless deployment, reinforcing the concept of a self-managed, decentralized development workflow.
The technical strength of Silex positions attendees to adapt to evolving web technologies and maintain independent control over their projects.
Projected outcomes and strategic next steps, solidifying the shift towards independent, self-hosted web development. Looking ahead, the workshop's impact extends beyond the immediate creation of static sites. It's establishing a foundational skill set for a burgeoning community of independent web developers.
Potential risks include the sustained dominance of the established no-code platforms leveraging their network effects and marketing budgets, necessitating ongoing evangelization of Silex and the benefits of independent deployment. However, significant opportunities exist in cultivating a vibrant ecosystem around the Silex framework, fostering collaborative development, and expanding its capabilities through community contributions.
Crucial is securing further funding for Silex development and promoting its adoption through targeted outreach to freelance developers and small businesses represents a strategic priority. The long-term success of this initiative hinges on translating the workshop's hands-on experience into a sustainable movement towards digital self-reliance.